Hey guys, just a quick update on Palindrome. The Trackwork looks just about done. They're finalizing just a few things at the site. Everything is looking pretty good. I got there just after they put in that top piece. Here's the view from the road. It's gonna look cool going over. And there's a bump on the spike. Should give some good airtime on the way back down. All the footer work is set for the station area. What I thought the station area was before is actually the maintenance shed. Right there near the turnstile. Lots of activity on the site today. Big difference from when I was here last. There's a lot of construction equipment moving, lots of people. Exciting to see all the progress.
Your love is what I need.
The view from the road is pretty cool, and seeing it go down that hillside is nice. Like I said, there's a lot of activity going on in the area. From all the way up where Palindrome is, all the way down to the site where circuit breaker is being made. There's construction equipment and lots of land moving.
Your love is what I need.
Now a look at the circuit breaker area. There's way more progress than I expected. All the trenches are being dug to pour the concrete tunnel areas, and footers are being put in place. All the track work and supports are all stationed nearby. I found these cool things that are a part of the structure for the tilt. It's my first time seeing them at the site. There's those footers way down in a trench. It's hard to get an idea for scale, but there's a cooler down there. It's a big hole. And like I said, there's just tons of activity going on everywhere. There's Palindrome in the background. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate all the support, so please like and subscribe to follow along the construction progress.